Everybody, hey, I'm trying to coat my porch, and every time I paint, I'm a terrible painter. I don't like painting, and this saying always came to me that I used to hear: a real painter, professional painter. I was helping him one time, and when I first started helping him, he goes, "Are you a painter or a dauber?" I didn't know how to answer that. I don't know. A dauber, like a paint dauber, or I mean like a dauber wasp. And he never told me the difference. He never told me if I was a painter or a dauber. And I always figured I was a dauber because I'm not a professional painter. And I've watched other people paint, not for any length of time, but I'd see them over there painting. I really wouldn't pay much attention. I should have. Well, today I've been painting now for 2 days straight. Usually if I paint a gallon of paint in a day, it's a lot, but I'm on my 7th gallon here. And maybe I figured out the difference. I don't know. You tell me. I don't know the real difference, the definition. Some professional painter could tell me maybe. But I'm going to turn this camera around and let you look at this, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. I'll show you how I was doing it, and now how I'm doing it now. I mean, it's not going to be perfect. I know preparation's a lot. But I've seen guys go up to some rough stuff and make them look beautiful. I can't do it. Anyway, here we go. Okay, I showed you at the beginning of this video the picture of the pot can I'm using. Never used this stuff before. It's nice, fast drying. I like it. I would recommend it. 5 years from now, I might not recommend it, but right now I like it. I like the end result. You know, right here, it's not dry yet. You can see where I painted yesterday and where it doesn't quite blend in, but I'm pretty sure it'll blend in. Along here, right in there, you see that? That's where we blended into where I painted all the railing. I'm gonna put this on a tripod so I'm sitting still and let you look at this. You tell me, am I a painter or a dauber? It's gonna be hard to paint and let you see, but I'll paint a little spot here, maybe. Anyway, okay, you're there. Alright, there's nails here, old row of nails here. Any place there's nails, they're kind of inset a little bit from hammering on them. First, that's where I'm going to start with my loaded brush. I'm going to go over the top of those nails, make sure all the metal is painted. Then I'm just going to start putting it on here. Alright. To the point where I can just start to see through the wood, into the wood. Then I'm going to take the corners of the brush, I'm going to go between the boards, like that. Then the brush has still got some paint in it. I'm going to go up here. And I'm going to try to feather this into where I painted yesterday, since it'll be 2 coats. Alright. Now, normally I would just sit there and keep brushing it. But today, I found out that if I take this brush and hold it just like this, and drag it, seems like it looks better. I'm wondering if that's the difference. I don't have quite enough paint on here, but I waited when I was getting the camera and stuff. A little dried out. Anyway, it seems like maybe that's the difference between a painter and a dauber. I don't know. You tell me, guys. And I just tried to feather it out there. So that's what I'm doing. I'm painting the nails first, or any rough spot. I kind of go over it, a knot. I go over it with a paintbrush. Then I put a bunch of paint on it, until I think it's going to run. Then I paint down the cracks. And then I go up and feather it. And then I just take my brush and go like this. Is that right or wrong? I don't know.